Your child will be ready to use the adult belts alone when they can sit with their back against the vehicle seat, comfortably bend their knees, and have the seat belt fit them properly without the aid of a booster. Just like when they were in a booster seat, the lap belt should fit low across the hips, while the shoulder belt should rest at the center of the shoulder in a comfortable position for your child. In some vehicles, you can adjust the seat or the position of the shoulder belt to help get a better fit. But importantly, your child needs to be able to sit this way for the entire trip. If they can't, then consider keeping them in a booster seat for a little longer to ensure the belt can better protect them in the event of a crash.